Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro. To do this, you'll need to open your Google Play Store. Right here in the search, enter Microsoft Edge. Hit the search button and then simply install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch your app. Then there's the introduction, which you can go through if you like. I'm gonna skip it. Right here we can show wallpaper, show most views, and show newsfeed. There's a new features for Microsoft Edge, and let's click on next with all of them enabled. Now sign in to turn on synchronization with other Microsoft browsers, and click on now if you don't want it. Lastly, or actually not lastly, here you can set Microsoft Edge as a default browser, or if you want you can skip it. And lastly, right now you can accept or disagree with the data sharing preference, and I'm gonna disagree and proceed. Now the browser is ready. Open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.